Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I have a unboxing video for you guys. These are the Sennheiser GSP 302 gaming headset. I just got them in, I think about a week ago. I'm not gonna lie, I've already been using them. I was kind of excited when I got them. They're around 84 bucks and they would be a really good choice for those of you who are on a budget but want a really good headset. These are for the PC and PS4 and also for your tablet or your mobile device. So let's just get into the unboxing real quick. So as you can see here, we have the manual, nothing too special. And then here we have the plastic molded piece. As you can see here, there's like this really cool molded type design to match the shape of the headset, and also the logo on the front part of it. If you open this up here, you'll see that there is the headset. I did choose the all black version. It's like a matte black color. They do have like blue and I think some other colors. I forgot. I'll let you guys know what colors they have in the description. Wow. But as far as what comes in the box, it's fairly simple. Nothing too much. Very minimalistic. So there's the headset itself, which is just, like I said, the matte black headset. There's no metal. The build quality is really good, even though it's all plastic. As you see here, it's a mic and headphone input. And then the adapter for the PS4, which is what I use it for. Nothing too crazy. Mic, headphone. Plug it into the mic headphone side, and then that converts to a 3.5mm headphone jack that you just plug into your controller, and then voila, you have a headset for your console. So nothing too crazy here. Super simple. There will be a review coming soon. I just want to give you guys, something to look at until I do the full review. I am still testing it to see what I like and what I dislike about these headphones, but honestly, so far, these sound amazing. Sound quality is awesome. The design is great. It's not metal. There's no metal. It is all plastic, but like I said, super comfortable and really well made. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and a comment. Feel free to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.